Hello, friends. Now, very soon, a new test series is going to start between England and New Zealand. And we'll be doing the preview for first test match in this video. Regarding this series, not only New Zealand and England, but also Indian team and Indian cricket fans are looking forward to this series. Because right after this series between England and New Zealand, India will be playing both the teams. India will be playing New Zealand in a World Test Championship final, and then a five-test series with England in England. So, of course, Indian team is also looking forward to this series, and Indian fans are also excited about this series to see how both the teams perform, to see their strengths and weaknesses. And regarding the first test match will be played at the ground of Lords in London, England, and it will be telecast live in England, New Zealand, as well as in India. In England, the match will be telecast live on Sky Sports Cricket, and the time will be 11 a.m. England time. And in New Zealand, match will be telecast live on Sky Sports NZ channel, and the timing will be 10 a.m. in New Zealand. And in India, the match will be telecast live on Sony 6, and the timings will be 3:30 p.m. Indian time. Okay, so talking about this first test match, which will be played at Lords, first of all, let's have a look at the expected playing 11 for both the teams. I will show it to you on screen. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at the squad for this test series for both the teams. We will first see the New Zealand squad. Yeah, New Zealand have chosen a 20-member squad. They have got two openers, as you can see on screen, Tom Latham, Tom Blundell. Then in middle order, they have batsman Kane Williamson, their captain, Ross Taylor, Henry Nichols, Will Young, Rachin Ravindra. Then two wicketkeeper batsmen, BJ Watling and Devon Conway. And BG Watling, as we know, has declared his retirement also. He will be retiring after World Test Championship final. In all-rounders, they have Daryl Mitchell, Colin D. Grandhome, and Mitchell Santner, their left-arm spinner. And in bowlers, they have Trent Boult, Matt Henry, Kyle Jamieson, Tim Southee, Neil Wagner, Doug Bracewell, Jacob Duffy, and Ajaz Patel. Ajaz Patel is also a left-arm leg spinner. So they have two leg spinners in their squad, and rest are all are fast bowlers. So going by their squad, they have a very well-balanced squad, and right now New Zealand is the number one test team in the world. And they have their full strength squad with them. Their expected playing 11, I think, will be something like this. Tom Latham and Tom Blundell will be opening the batting. Kane Williamson, their captain, will be at number 3. Then Ross Taylor at number 4. Ross Taylor had some injury scare, but it seems that right now Ross Taylor has recovered. The reports are that he is very keen to play, and most probably he will be playing in the first test match. In case he doesn't play due to if his injury is not completely healed, then maybe you might see Will Young in his place. Then at number 5, Henry Nichols. Number 6, their wicketkeeper batsman B.J. Watling. Then their all-rounder Colin D. Grandhome. Then Kyle Jamieson, Tim Southee, Neil Wagner. And I think at number 11, they will be playing their left-arm leg spinner Ajaz Patel, because they won't be playing all the fast bowlers. And between Santner and Ajaz Patel is more of a specialist spinner. He has a better record as a bowler than Santner. So I think Ajaz Patel will be preferred. So this will be expected playing 11 for New Zealand. And then for England, first of all, let's see their squad. England have declared a 16-member squad. They have openers Rory Burns, Dom Sibley, Zach Crawley, Haseeb Hameed. For middle order, they have Joe Root as their captain, Dan Lawrence, Ollie Pope, And they have two wicketkeeper batsmen, James Bracey and Sam Billings. In bowlers, they have Stuart Broad, James Anderson, Oli Stone, Mark Wood, Ollie Robinson, Craig Overton, and Jack Leach, left arm leg spinner. So they have only one spinner in Jack Leach. And as you can see in their squad, that some important names are missing, like Jofra Archer, Ben Stokes, even Johnny Bairstow, Josh Butler. So they are not playing their full strength. Some are missing due to injury. Some they have rested. So the report is that England wants to try some new players in this series. So you can see some debutants also in their squad. They want to build a team for future also. So that's why the news is that they plan to experiment in this series. So going by this approach, I feel the expected playing 11 can be a bit tricky to guess in case of England. So it will be a bit difficult to guess the playing 11 for England for first test, but still I will make my guess what is the ideal playing 11 for them. I feel Rory Burns will definitely be there as their first opener. Now, as a second opener, they have Dom Sibley with them, but Dom Sibley, I think, is slightly injured, and maybe even if he recovers, I feel England won't be playing Dom Sibley. They will give him rest. And even Haseeb Hameed, they have added him later as a cover for Dom Sibley, but I feel Haseeb Hameed may also sit out, and Zach Crawley may open. Because Zach Crawley, England is always treating him as the number 3 opener. So this is a good chance, as they want to experiment, that this is a good chance that they might give an opening slot to Zach Crawley. And then at number 3, I have put their wicket-keeper batsman, James Bracey. He will be making debut. Now, they also have option of Sam Billings as wicket-keeper, but I feel England will play James Bracey because Bracey was originally in the squad. Their number 1 wicketkeeper, Ben Foakes, got injured. So after that, Sam Billings was added in the squad. So I feel Bracey will be preferred. And for his county, he plays at number 3 position. So maybe he may get the number 3 position, but there is also a possibility that he may be shifted to maybe number 6 also. So in that case, Joe Root can come at number 3 or even Dan Lawrence. And then number 4, Joe Root, their captain, then Dan Lawrence, Ollie Pope. And number 7, I feel Craig Overton. They may play him. He is a bowling all-rounder because in the absence of Ben Stokes, their batting may look thin. If they play a specialist batsman like Dom Sibley or Haseeb Hameed, then their bowling may become weak because they will have to go with 4 bowlers in that case. So I feel they will prefer something like this, a lineup, something like this. This will be their best lineup according to their squad, which will also enable them to do some experimentation. Like they will be giving chance to Zach Crawley as opener, James Bracey as a debut, then Craig Overton also. And at number 8, there another bowling all-rounder, Ollie Robinson. Both Craig Overton and Ollie Robinson have performed well in their domestic circuit. And at number 9, again, I feel they will be playing only one out of Stuart Broad or James Anderson. They will follow the policy of rotation. Usually, they don't play both these bowlers together in a test match. And I feel in this test match also, only one of them will be playing. And at number 10, Jack Leach, their slow left-arm leg spinner, will be there. And at number 11, Ollie Stone, their fast bowler. So this may be the expected playing 11, according to me, for England. Now, going by the stats between these two countries, England definitely has an edge. England has won much more matches than New Zealand between the contest of these two countries against each other. But the thing which goes in favor of New Zealand is that in the recent past, in the last 5 test matches which they have played, New Zealand has an edge. They have won 3 matches out of them. Of course, those matches were in New Zealand, so that gave them the home advantage. But still, New Zealand has the upper hand, and New Zealand is right now in great form. They are in World Test Championship finals. They are the number 1 test team in the world as per ICC rankings. And at the same time, England is not going into this series with their full strength. They are experimenting. They are giving debut to some new players, or some of those players which have played earlier but didn't get the proper chances. So I feel this is a great chance for New Zealand. New Zealand won't be experimenting because right after this series, they will be playing India in World Test Championship final. So they would like to play their best team and gain the momentum and the form so that they even go on to win the WTC final. While on the other hand, England looks like experimenting, although they are confident that they are giving chance to some really talented players. But still, I feel New Zealand will have an edge in this match. I will give 65% chance to New Zealand and 35% chance to England. I know that this is a home series for England, so home advantage is there. But at least in first test match, I feel that New Zealand will have an edge. Because if you see, New Zealand is basically on a winning streak. The matches which they played in WTC championship, they played in all of them in their own country, but they were winning those matches while England just lost their test series in India 3-1. So they don't have the momentum right now, while New Zealand has the momentum and also their full strength test team. So my prediction for this match is that New Zealand will win this match. And if New Zealand bats first, then the victory margin will be bigger. New Zealand may win even by 100 or more runs. But if New Zealand bats second, then the match will be much closer. Although still I will go with New Zealand, that New Zealand will be able to chase whatever target they get. So that is my prediction for this match. And players to watch out, of course, Kane Williamson. I think Kane Williamson may be man of the series also in this 2 test match series. So in the batting, Kane Williamson, and in bowling, Kyle Jamieson. These 2 players will be the players to watch out. So let's see how it goes. Okay, friends, that's it in this video. We will meet after this match in our next video for the preview of second test match.